let's make our pork power pork sausage rolls. Alright, so now that we've got everything cut up, we're going to fry it off, add our spice mix to it, and then let it cool down first, add it to our pork mince, and then roll our sausage rolls. So let's get going. Now what we want to do, lay this down, all the way to the end, and just pat it down nice and evenly. Make sure it's all nice and smooth, and look at them. These look so good. I can't wait to look into these. So now when you cook them, you want to make sure that the seam is just is underneath, and yeah, that'll stop them from splitting open. So now we're going to go ahead, give them a cut into our pieces, into our portions. You can cut them into any size you want. If you want to keep it like that, by all means do it. I'm going to cut them I'm going to cut these into half so they've got nice big ones. So now we're going to go onto our tray. Keep them relatively spaced apart. You don't have to worry about too much, but just make sure that seam is underneath. So you can manipulate it now to make it flatter if you want to, but just make sure that seam is like nice and stuck together and that it's just on the bottom, because we don't want it to burst open. So just take a minute and make sure that it's nice and like that. All right, so we put 4 across this way. Like that. You can probably even get 5 in there. So now I just want to repeat this process until all your mix is used up, and then get them in the oven. Alright, so into the oven, 190, 30 to 35 minutes. That's ridiculous.